Elsewhere, physical learning is expected to resume on Monday across the country for tertiary and institutions of higher learning after 7 months of holiday occasioned by the coronavirus pandemic. Final year students in public universities and colleges are expected to be back to lectures, and preparations to receive them are already on top gear.
Hundreds of students in tertiary institutions of higher learning are expected back to their colleges Monday as classes resume. Under the patched opening approach, students in their final year of studies are to commence lectures on Monday after 7 months coronavirus holiday break. In Thika, over 10 higher learning institutions have been fumigated. Public health officers disinfected lecture halls, dormitories, offices, buses, kitchen, training areas and other amenities. According to Francis Mogire, a public health officer from Thika sub-county, the exercise is being undertaken to prevent learners from contracting COVID-19 when they return back to schools.
Ni shughuli ambayo tulikuwa tumeianza hapo mbeleni na tumefanya institutions zaidi ya 10 hapa Thika na ndani ya Kiambu County, na bado tutaendelea kufanya hiyo shughuli ya fumigation ili kuhakikisha ya kwamba wanafunzi wetu watakaporejea mashuleni au macolleges watakuwa safe.
Alongside other COVID-19 containment measures, all learning institutions will now be required to mandatorily enforce monitoring of body temperatures, get linked to the health facility prior to reopening.
And so since they were not able to do the exams in March, we were given directive from NEC officers that they should resume on Monday to prepare and rehearse for exams.
While learners and staff will be provided with weekly psychological and spiritual support during and after reopening. At the Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology, final year health and science students are already back at university. While observing COVID-19 rules, the students have already started the exam in order to be ready for graduation by the end of the year.
We don't accommodate all our students. We target our first years. And of course now it means that the 2,700 bed capacity that we used to have a long time ago has been reduced to about 1,300 bed capacity, which means that most students now will have to be still.
The University Vice Chancellor Victoria Ngumi said that the institution is making its own masks and sanitizers, which will be given to every student at subsidized rates.
And we were working very hard as a university to make sure that in the classrooms there is social distancing. We also have hand washing points all over the university.
Besides fumigating the entire institution, Professor Ngumi said the hospital is working with Kiambu County Department of Health in readiness for any problem. The Ministry of Education is yet to announce reopening dates for primary and secondary schools. Timothy Kipnusu for Channel 1 News.